Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm using my air fryer, brand new air fryer, which my son bought. It's way bigger than the last one that I had, you guys. You have a grill in here. You don't have to use the grill. You can just put it at the bottom. So we're gonna try it out. We're gonna make some chicken strips. Basket is really big. Once you stick it in there, it says on. Now we're brand new to this, you guys, so we're just working on it. These are all the things you can do. Bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, reheat, and keep warm. It has a reminder on there. Air fry, fries, bacon, seafood, vegetables, and wings. Okay. Hit the button in the, right there next to it. Oh, what you click? Start. Yeah. And it's real quiet. You don't even know it's on, guys. It's on air fry in 20 minutes. You can smell the scent of the new air fryer. It is extremely quiet. You don't even know that it's on. Okay. Okay, you guys, I will be back with the results. Okay, guys. Here it is, all crisp up. You can hear it frying. Look how good that looks. Okay, you guys, this is a new air fryer. We're gonna break the chicken. See how crispy it is? Like fried chicken, you guys. Look at that. Okay, you guys. Here we go. So I thank you for watching and bye-bye for now. Bye, guys.